Hey guys, it's me, Caroline. I'm here to show you a little bit of what I've been up to. First, I was able to finally finish this painting or diamond painting. It's of a cottage, and I still have to get, someone had suggested I take poster board from the dollar store and use it as a mat, so I am going to do that, but I just wanted to put it in the frame for now just to show you guys. And again, it doesn't really show you how nice it is, but this is for my mom, so I did this. And sorry, my house is a complete bomb. I'm currently working on this. This is a partial, this lighthouse one. Actually, with the light off, you might be able to see this better. Yeah, you can see how it glistens. Okay, and I am going to start this one. Like I said, it's a partial of a lighthouse. I think I'm going to gift this to my mom as well because she does like lighthouses, and her and my dad used to love going to see them in Maine. So, and also in LBI, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So this will be quite easy since it's a partial. Are those? Yeah, they're not all. And the flowers aren't either. So yeah, this won't take me long at all. So this is going to be for my mom. I also want to show you guys what I made as far as those little lighted pictures that I make with the frames, but I also added a few things, so I'm going to dim the lights. I'll be right back and I'll show you how those turned out. Okay, so here is I found these gift bags over at the dollar store, and I did exactly what I did last year. I put it into one of these dollar store frames. I bought the lights, and I kind of figured where I wanted them to align and light up. And this time I decided to add a little, and it's stuck on there, a little ornament. So, and this is Season's Greetings, and I have the battery pack here, and I fixed it on there. Now, this one is red. I didn't know when I bought all these lights that they had different colors. I thought they were all clear, but it turns out they were yellow and red. So I think I might change this out. I don't know if I like it. I could still change it because they're very easy to take off from the inside. So, and I didn't realize that it was red until after I put the batteries in, because I usually put the lights on and then I put the batteries in, and yeah, so that's how this happened. I also put this little, I got this from Dollar General. They have the nicest ornaments and really pretty. So I decided to just add a little extra on there. And here's this one. This is Joy. And I have this one here that I also got at Dollar General. Really pretty ornaments. Now I'm going to put the light back on so you guys can see how it looks in the light. And here is how they look with the lights on. So it's just a little decorative element you can put on your, just to decorate around the holidays. I'll be selling these at my craft fair because people loved these. So I'm going to probably sell these. I have a few more to make. And now I will show you guys some recent things that I received from Wish. Okay, so I thought I was going to have more deliveries, but apparently a lot of the stuff that I ordered did not come. And there's a lot out there, mainly crafting items and beading items, but there is a lot out there. I'm kind of shocked it hasn't arrived yet. Oh, these are charms. Very nice. Okay, so these are the charms that go in the floating, I think Tina mentioned it. These are called, here, let me open this up so you guys can see. The floating necklaces where you choose charms. These are really tiny, but they go into those necklaces. If you know what, maybe I'll show you guys how this works. I mean, I'm sure you've seen these before, but here's a heart. And here's it looks like a little suitcase or camera, a piece of hair from my glue gun. Got a lot going on. Maybe you could see them better if they're like this. I don't know. Oh, look, the Italian flag! Who knew? Or is it the Mexican flag? I don't know, but hope that focuses. Anyway, there's 3 bags of these charms, which go into the floating necklaces. And then something tells me I know what this is. Because this goes with another gift for my daughter. This is not a stocking stuffer. This is actually goes with the other gift. And I think I bought this on Wish, and I believe it was about, can't seem to get it open. I think it was about $7 or $10, I want to say. This is to cover a Mac, for the MacBook Pro. So there's a little spot for the Apple emblem. Let me see. I'm going to end up putting this on her thing. Let me see. It's like a case. You can put. Oh, okay. One's for the bottom, one's for the top. I got it. And this is for the bottom. And this is for the top. Oh, okay. And it covers. Okay, so I'm done. I'm going to put this with the rest of her gifts. And these are some of the many things that I received from Wish today. My diamond, I didn't show you guys all the different colors that the lighthouse will come in, but you'll see once I start. And the picture frames for the craft fair. So thanks for watching, and Marianne and I are going to be choosing that very lucky person to win the tablet. And that's about it. I believe Marianne is uploading a video on her beautiful snowman candy dishes. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.